tell you, this morning there was a chap came down through the reception with his dog, a German lad.
Really?
Yeah, and he fucking...
I heard a dog.
He started shouting on at me about motor rad farts. Like pointing outside and going, shouting on about motor rad fart and laughing at me. And I was like, fuck you. I'm sure you mean that, but fuck off.
I'm still picking bits of fucking Pringle out my helmet. There's loads of it in the chin guard.
It's the word for you.
Harder with fucking rain gear on. Heated grips on. Maximum fucking effort. Man, it is fucking pissing rain now. Look at that.
Yeah, it's a bit shocking, isn't it?
The man in the car is looking at us going, pair of fucking idiots. Do you want to go ahead or do you want me to go ahead?
No, you go ahead. Oh, I can't see a fucking thing.
Holy shit, there's a river going down the fucking hill.
Yeah. I'm not a fan of this now, I have to be honest.
It's character building stuff. I don't want to get used to it.
Yeah, but we're gonna fucking have to today.
Yeah, because otherwise you would just be sitting there all day. You'd lose a day, like, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, but you wouldn't want to do that. I'll get somewhere today. The amount of little micers going around.
I know, there's a substantial amount.
The other little
It
micers.
Must be the ultimate mountain car.
It's like you have two kinds of cars, RS6s and micers.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck this.
So much for rain. It's fucking wet leaves on the ground, man.
Yeah, it's fucking... I started watching them.
Look at this, man. This is just basically fucking pond I'm driving.
Yeah, still not a great breakfast. I think we do breakfast better than they do.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Jesus,
Like,
there's no grease or anything. Everyone was healthy, like, except for the Cocoa Pops and the Nutella.
Yeah, spot of Nutella on a little croissant and that's the breakfast. Yeah.
That's it, yeah. I need about 8 of them in order to be sustained.
Let me tell you a little thing about breakfast, my friend. I reckon we get down from here and it might be a bit fucking nicer.
Might be a bit more sound.
Slightly sounder.
Just the wet, you know.
Yeah, it's not even raining anymore. You fucking thing.
Yeah, I think it'll be alright. I'd say when we get down there, it'll be... the ground will be wet, but it won't be pissing fucking rain.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
no worse than yesterday. You know, the ground was wet yesterday, but it wasn't mad. Like,
yeah.
It'll run off by then when the rain has stopped.
Well, what do you think?
I don't know. I'll go into the town, we'll get petrol and we'll see. Because I honestly don't know.
Alright. Okie doke, that waterfall's amazing over there, isn't it?
Yeah, that's pretty amazing. It's pretty good.
Somebody has a gaff up there, look. Bastards.
Welcome to Switzerland, the country of cunts.
The whole country of... We have so much money. And rapidness as standard.
Rapidness comes standard. Sound, everyone's sound.
Everyone's sound, we're all got soundness.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the shell, look.
Yeah, get in there. Get in.
Oh, jeez, there's a lot of cows.
There's a ball of cows. Trying to rev at them. Your man in the Bentley got mad, he doesn't want to go near cows.
Fuck. All got bells.
Your man with the shovel to
And
hit
them ones are just lagging behind.
Your man with the shovel to hit them on the arse if they don't go fast enough.
That's mad.
It's literally the funniest thing.
Mad stuff altogether, Ted.
It's the funniest thing I can think of ever in my life is somebody hitting a cow in the arse with a shovel.
I don't think that'd be very funny.
It'd be hilarious.
I
think we're catching up to this rain. I'm going to follow it around all day.
Should have got some mitts for me gloves to waterproof them.
Well, yeah.
I'm gonna be soaking. Your gloves waterproof, are they?
Yep.
So what? I don't care.
Good job, cunt.
So what? Great for you, like.
It is great for me. That's why I bought them. That's why I do anything, man. So that it's great for me. Grimsel, right, taking this left here, or this right.
Right. now, now. Give me a smile.
I'm not smiling. Grimsel, come in for your dinner.
What did you take pictures of? Fog.
Foggy bits.
Oh, there's the sign.
Oh, nice.
Get a selfie. Just to turn around.
Get fucking unlock the account.
Schnell bitte.
Right.
Right, let's get the fuck out of here.
We're only here to look for directions on how to get out of here. Go past, you stupid car.
There's a car coming up the hill as well.
A fucking smart car. Right. Time for a spot of on-bike narration. I got a few minutes. Anyway. No, I have to pay attention to these arseholes, right. Where am I going? I'm going this way. Okay, time to describe what happened on Tuesday. So, as the footage might suggest, and I'm going to put some footage here, on Tuesday it fucking pissed down rain. It wasn't great. So we got up on Tuesday around 8 o'clock in the morning, looked out, looked at the forecast, sort of said, okay, it's going to piss down rain, so might as well get to it, stuck the old waterproofs on. So we left very early in the morning, said we'd get over Grimselpass and we'll go down some other pass and we'll go to a certain place, and we were sort of heading back towards Andermatt because we wanted to get the fuck out of Switzerland as soon as we could. And so we're going to get back to Andermatt and then go back down the familiar road we came up the previous day and get the fuck out. That didn't quite work out the plan because you know, it just took us ages to get over the passes. We were taking it really slow and handy. It was raining and the visibility was shit, and it's supposed to be one of the more impressive and popular passes, Grimselpass, but by the time we got to it we just wanted to get the fuck out of there. So made it back down Pass, which was even worse, and actually the road was shit on Pass. Well, shit by Swiss standards, I suppose. It was grand. There weren't any huge big fucking holes you know, lose a van in, like in Ireland. So we made it down, went back into Andermatt. We hadn't stopped in Andermatt previously, so we stopped in there, got our fucking 40 quid lunch, said, ow, my bum, and headed onwards. So we went back over Oberalp Pass, which I'm not going to show because, you know, you've seen it in reverse, except this time it was pissing down rain. I'll show a bit of it actually, just to show the contrast between the 2 days, where one day it was grand and the next day it was just shit. So that'll show you kind of the difference between good and bad weather when it comes to doing these kinds of things. Anyway, we made it back down to Chur, which is a town we went through the previous day on the way from Liechtenstein, and we just found a hotel in Chur and chilled the fuck out. Really did solidify. The hotel in Chur was expensive. It was, well, it was like an Ibis, like a chain hotel. It was 100 quid for the night each, and we just sort of said, fuck it, our gear is fucking wet, we're wet, you know, it's fucking shit times, we're just gonna get somewhere reasonably nice and get sorted out. And so the hotel was reasonable. We made a bit of a plan for the following day, and then we got a bit of grub, which was pretty fucking disgusting because it was a Burger King down the road, and we're like, alright, fuck it, you know, path of least resistance, Burger King, except like a Whopper meal was like 16 quid or something like that. So we just said, alright, take the money, we're getting the fuck out of you tomorrow. And so we did. But anyway, that's the end of that. People kind of responded well to just music and no words, so we're going to have a bit of that, I suspect. If anyone has stuff they want to hear about during the course of the videos, I know I have some requests still to do, but you know, I might do a roundup video at the end. But stuff people want to hear about, just drop a comment, and I'll see what I can do. Cheers.